with me is the new 2025 Genesis GV80. It's a facelift with different grille in it. It has new wheels with new color options as well. This is the silver. It has a 22-inch wheels, and it's a 3.5 twin turbocharged engine producing up to 375 horsepower. This is the key to it. Automatic boot. Keep holding the boot option, it opens, and you press it again and it closes. This is from the back, and this is the new infotainment system with huge 27-inch screen. Start the engine, clear the belt, turn on the AC, put the gear in D and drive. It's a beautiful car, I love it, it's worth the price. Press the camera button and you can see the front view as well, even the back. So this is a private area. These are the cars for drifting, where they drift in this area. Usually they drift at night. Let's go back to driving this car. There's a huge navigation, it's fast. Put it in sports mode, wait for the cars to go, and press within the speed limit. So overall it's a good car, nice leather interior color as well. Put it in comfort and let's drive and enjoy the car. When you put the indicator on the left, the camera on the left turns on, and if you put the indicator on the right camera turns on. So now we'll be using the left indicator, check and turn. Bit windy outside as well, as you can see all these things flying. And that's it. That's the new GV80 facelift. I love how the screen is.